Hi guys, this is Tanya Meadows with Apple Tree Homeschool Academy, and today I just wanted to show you our homeschool space, and I'll give you a little quick tour of where we do the bulk of our homeschooling. Of course, as you know, homeschooling gets carried throughout the house, but this is where we try to do all of our sit-down lessons. And I had brought this desk in from our living room and put it here at the end of our kitchen cabinet. And I just today added this half bulletin board, half whiteboard. I'm displaying our current unit study. Just today I brought in this drawer system. This is a lot of the teacher stuff that I'll be working on. I use this as a catch-all. We usually sit here at the table. This is a cart that I have a video for a child that I will be tutoring. In the far corner here is our art supplies and our art curriculum. In those bottom bins are various colors of separated crayons that I've collected over the years. This is a crate system that I put together to house our, it was supposed to be a drying rack, but I've got so much paper that we're just using it to sort paper. We have an art supply kit right here, and our current unit that we'll be working on in the front with the white bin and our materials in the back. I've got some science and our globe and our pencil sharpener with some a plastic bin lid on the bottom to catch any debris that falls out of the pencil sharpener. This is the girl that I tutor, her art supplies. And then I have my sheet protector, my the laminating pouches, the laminator, and the trimmer. And I love these bins here. If it holds our writing paper, our cursive writing paper, stampers, some file folder games. That bin came from Walmart and has lots of pockets. On the inside it holds our Bible studies. We have an extra basket here that I haven't put anything in yet. We have poetry in that book, poetry in that basket. And then this is the bulk of our material for my daughter. And this would be what she would normally have maybe in her locker if she went to public school. These are materials that I don't want to forget about, that I've pulled forward and brought out of our supplies from the other room that I want to incorporate pretty quickly. These are our math materials here. These are wooden boxes that I got in at Lowe's. And then our supply shelf that we have. Let's see if I can sneak in here real quick. There we go. Our supply shelf. I have a video on that if you need to see the details on that. And then our maps. And behind this poster, I believe I have another one. At least I did at one time. No, I had a second poster behind here. And our posters are stored in the closet. I need a better system for that. But anyway, that's a really quick overview of our homeschooling space. And this is what I use every day, and that needs to be readily available and convenient. So I hope you get some ideas from what you see here. I've spent quite a amount of years trying to develop organizational systems, and this has really been working out for us. Everything is very nice and hands-on and very convenient. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe and leave us some comments. Thanks. Happy homeschooling.